It's Brandon with Parkside Kia here in Knoxville, Tennessee, back at the GT2 all-wheel drive Stinger. So what I'm going over today is the remote start. So from factory, if you're lucky enough to have it on there, then it is. If not, you can always add remote start to any of the Kia products that have push button start from factory, because that's a requirement. So let's go over this. So we can either hit this one time, press and hold. You'll see the light at the top. One was blue, I think the second one turned green. Now we have it started, ready to go. I'm just going to kill it real quick. So that was the first way to do it. Secondly, you can do it just from this singular fob, okay? Really quickly, you're gonna want to press this, and then quickly, like within 1 or 2 seconds, probably just that 1 second, press and hold the panic and the rear hatch open. So we're going to hit lock, and then these two, and there we go. So if you wanted to carry around this fob, you can. If you just wanted to do this, that's fine too. Maybe put that one away for, I don't know what you would need it for, but there it is. So while we're out here and we've got it, I just wanted to point out a couple things. Obviously the Brembo brakes are going to be on your GT1 and GT2 lines, rear wheel drive or all wheel, doesn't matter. Moving around to the front, you can easily spot a GT2. If you look right there, see the heads-up display module. It's that bit of a reflection piece. It's just mirror imaging. If the Stinger does not have that, it's not a GT2, because it's not actually going to say 1 or 2 on the back. It's either just going to say Stinger or Kia. Here we've got projection style bulbs. You may be saying, well, what's the difference between a projection bulb and a halogen reflector? Well, projections on low beam go out an additional, but we'll say they go out 500 foot, whereas halogen reflectors may only go out 200 to 300. And your high beams with the projection bulb are going to go out 8 to 1,000, whereas just hydrogen reflectors are only going to go out 500. So much safer style headlight. Moving around, you've got this black satin chrome finish. This little square bit here is actually your forward collision avoidance tied in with your smart cruise control. There is a radar behind there that's going to mock the leading car's speed and also keep the distance that you set, which we'll show you in the button inside there. Turning around, this right here, this bit is your LED daytime running lights. Those stay on. Coming around the vehicle, you can see the hood scoops, your sides here. Here is going to be your turn signal, and at the very end of it, there's a LED diode specifically for the people that are in your blind spot. Because, I mean, yeah, you know you're changing lanes, but if I'm in your blind spot, how do I know? Because I can't see your front or your rear turn signal. So Kia put that in there just to make sure that I'm safe as well, not just the driver, but as the on-the-roader myself. Coming back on around, you've got it's dual exhaust quad tip, and what I mean by that is you've got dual exhausts, but then each of the exhausts have a dual mounted tip, so it looks like you've got 4. You've got rear and forward parking sensors, so not only does it have the beep when you're getting too close to something in the front and the back, it also has your forward collision avoidance with pedestrian detection. So if you're looking for a vehicle to run someone over, this would not be an ideal candidate. Yep. So I mean, that's everything on the outside here of the Stinger GT all-wheel drive. GT2. See the badge there? It just says GT. I'm not going to show you if it's a 1 or a 2. thank you for tuning in, and I'm sure we'll have some more videos of different cars. Just check back with us and see what we have. Have a good day.